Are you tired of spending hours every week trying to grow your social media following only to see minimal results? Imagine if there was a way to wake up every morning to dozens or even hundreds of new followers, leads, and clicks on your links, all without having to post a single video, write a blog, or even open your social media apps. Well, that's exactly what Autobuzz is designed to do. Autobuzz is the ultimate set it and forget it AI engagement tool that takes the hassle out of audience building. It works around the clock to boost your visibility and drive targeted traffic to any offer you want, completely on autopilot. What makes Autobuzz so powerful is its advanced artificial intelligence. Unlike other tools that simply spam generic messages, Autobuzz uses sophisticated algorithms to mimic genuine human interaction. It scans trending posts within your niche and leaves relevant, attention-grabbing comments that spark real conversations. These comments are crafted to stand out, encouraging people to check out your profile, click your links, and engage with your brand. The result? A continuous passive loop of new followers and potential customers discovering your business every single day. Autobuzz isn't just for seasoned marketers, it's perfect for anyone looking to grow online. Whether you're an affiliate marketer, a course creator, a coach, a small business owner, or even someone just starting out, Autobuzz levels the playing field. You don't need any existing followers. You don't need to spend money on ads. And you definitely don't need to create endless streams of content. With Autobuzz, you can finally get seen by the right people at the right time without lifting a finger. Getting started with Autobuzz is incredibly simple. Once you set it up, the AI goes to work for you. No complicated settings or technical skills required. Just choose your target niche, add your profile and links, and let Autobuzz handle the rest. You'll start seeing results as the AI leaves smart, engaging comments on high-traffic posts, driving real people straight to your page. And since everything is automated, you can focus on what matters most, whether that's running your business or enjoying your free time. In today's crowded social media landscape, standing out and growing your audience can feel impossible. But with Autobuzz, you get a powerful ally that works tirelessly behind the scenes to expand your reach and deliver real, measurable results. If you're ready to supercharge your social growth, boost your visibility, and drive targeted traffic to your offers, all without creating content or spending on ads, Autobuzz is your solution. Try it today and experience the effortless way to grow your brand online.